Welcome to Section 5, Lecture 3 Scanners. Scanners and their applications. A scanner is a hardware input device that optically reads an image or a three dimensional object and converts it into a digital signal. They are connected to a computer system through a USB cable. Scanners can be classified into two types: two dimensional and three dimensional scanners. 2D scanners are used at airports to authorize passport photos with the passengers. In this application, facial expressions are monitored to authenticate the scan. Further knowledge of 3D scanners is not a part of this course. Two-dimensional scanners and their working. These types of scanners are generally used to input hard copy paper documents to a system. The image is converted into an electronic form which can be stored in a computer. As shown in the image in the previous slide, the cover of the scanner is raised to scan a particular hard copy document. A scan head generating a bright light then illuminates the document. After the whole page has been scanned, an image of the document is produced which is focused on the lens through a series of mirrors. The lens focuses the image on a device which converts the input image into electronic form which can be saved as .pdf, .jpeg, .png, .svg, or .psd. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.